Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube in just 10 days? Well, wonder no more. Today, we delve into a step-by-step guide that unveils how you can turn your passion for creating content into a revenue stream. This program is your ticket to monetizing your content. With it, you can earn from ads, channel memberships, and YouTube premium revenue. To join, you need to reside in a country where the program is available, have more than 1,000 subscribers, more than 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and have a linked AdSense account. AdSense is the platform that pays you for the ads shown on your videos. You need to be over 18 to create an account, and if you're not, you can use an adult's account. Remember, only one AdSense account can be linked to your YouTube channel. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but it's worth repeating. Quality content is king. It attracts more viewers, keeps them hooked, and compels them to share your videos, boosting your watch hours and subscriber count. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to watch your content, share it, and subscribe to your channel. Use social media, blog posts, or even word of mouth. The more people who know about your channel, the higher your potential for gaining subscribers and watch hours. Once you've reached the required watch hours and subscriber count, apply for the partner program. YouTube will review your channel, and if approved, you'll start earning from ads, channel memberships, and YouTube premium revenue. Don't stop once you've reached monetization. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep promoting. The more content you have, the higher your potential earnings. In summary, to make money on YouTube in 10 days, you need to understand and join the YouTube Partner Program, create an AdSense account, consistently produce engaging content, engage with your audience, promote your channel, and apply for the YouTube Partner Program once you've reached the required threshold. Remember, it's a continuous journey, not a one-time event. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep promoting. Your passion combined with persistence could turn into a profitable venture. So gear up and start your YouTube journey today, because every day is a new opportunity to create, connect, and earn.